Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best spare tire covers on Amazon. Spare tires are not only useful but can also be a great aesthetic. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Explorer Land Tire Covers 4-pack. The primary function of the Explorer Land tire covers is to provide unbeatable protection to your vehicle's tires. Crafted from high-quality materials, these covers shield your tires from harmful elements such as UV rays, dirt, dust, and rain. They effectively prevent premature aging, cracking, and fading, ensuring that your tires maintain their optimal condition for an extended period. When it comes to durability, the Explorer Land tire covers 4-pack excels. Constructed with heavy-duty, waterproof Oxford material, they are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including intense sunlight, rainstorms, and snow. The covers are reinforced with double-stitched seams for added strength, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. The Explorer Land Tire Covers 4-pack is a versatile accessory that offers protection on various occasions. Whether you're going on a road trip, camping adventure, or storing your vehicle for an extended period, these covers ensure that your tires are safeguarded from damage and degradation. Number 2. Classic Accessories Overdrive Universal Fit Spare Tire Cover. Classic Accessories makes a great universal cover that comes in small and large sizes to fit a spare. The design is sleek and rugged, making for a great addition on any type of vehicle, especially Jeeps and RVs. The slip-on fit makes the cover easy to install, allowing quick access to the spare when needed. The material is also water-repellent and weatherproof. Rugged and easy to clean, the fabric boasts a soft, scratch-resistant backing to help protect the spare. The back hem is elastic and can be tightened for a secure fit. A 3-year warranty ensures that the cover itself is covered should any defects turn up. Compared to some other tire covers, this one is not quite as durable as its competitors. If you're looking for something with longevity, you might want to pick one of the other covers on this list. That being said, it's still a great value pick if you want something to protect your spare that doesn't break the bank. Number 3. Amfer Universal Spare Tire Cover. Although touted as a universal fit, this cover actually comes in 5 different sizes. It also comes in a variety of colors and styles, so you're sure to find one that fits your tire and matches your vehicle. Designed with an elastic hem and a tightening strap, this cover offers a tight fit over the spare tire. It's easy to install, remove, and even easier to clean. Just wipe it down with a soft cloth, and you're good to go. The cover is waterproof, scratch-resistant, and UV-safe, making it a great pick to keep your spare in good condition. A great cover overall, this one is best for crossovers and smaller SUVs. The material is thinner than some other competing models, so it might wear out more quickly if you tend to mount and remove the spare tire cover regularly. Number 4. Compass Rose Black Spare Tire Cover. The Compass Rose Black Spare Tire Cover is to offer unparalleled protection for your spare wheel. Constructed from durable materials, this cover shields your tire from damaging UV rays, which can cause premature aging, cracking, and fading. It also effectively keeps dirt, dust, and other debris at bay, ensuring that your spare wheel remains in optimal condition, ready for use whenever you need it. Built to last, the Compass Rose Black Spare Tire Cover is crafted from high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of everyday use. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and longevity, even when faced with challenging weather conditions, such as rain, snow, or intense sunlight. The cover's strong seams and reliable stitching contribute to its exceptional strength, providing reliable protection for your spare wheel throughout its lifespan. Installing the Compass Rose Black Spare Tire Cover is a hassle-free process. Number 5. Moonit Universal Spare Tire Cover. Moonit has created a dependable and durable spare tire cover. It comes in 5 different sizes, though it is advertised as a universal fit. The size ranges from 14 to 18 inches, though there is not much of a difference in price between them. For the product line altogether, it fits wheels from 24 to 33 inches. It is waterproof and scratch-resistant, with an elastic back hem to help the fit. The spare tire cover weighs just over a pound, making it easy to handle. It has a leather-like appearance, though it is not real leather. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.